Managing type 2 diabetes isn't just about diet or exercise. Medications often play a vital role. But here's the truth, medication alone doesn't solve the root cause. That's where True Weight Solutions comes in. There are different types of medications your doctor may prescribe, like metformin, sulfonylureas, or even insulin. Each works differently to help control blood sugar levels. Taking your medication at the right time and in the right dose is critical. Even small mistakes can throw off your blood sugar and increase your risk of complications. Of course, many medications come with side effects, ranging from digestive issues to low blood sugar episodes. Learning how to manage these side effects is essential for long-term success. And here's the most important part, consistency. Missing doses or stopping medication without guidance can raise blood sugar and increase the risk of serious health complications. This is where True Weight Solutions makes the difference. Our system doesn't replace your medication, it works alongside it. By helping you lose weight, balance blood sugar, and reduce inflammation, many patients find they need less medication over time under their doctor's supervision. Medication is important, but it's only part of the solution. True Weight Solutions gives you the tools to take control of your health and create lasting change. Visit www.trueweightsolutions.com today to learn more. And if you're a healthcare provider, we'd love to show you how to bring this proven system to your patients.